Annyeonghaseyo, welcome back to Momoverse. So yeah, I am back with my vlog. By the way, I'm sorry I did not shoot it earlier, so I'm giving my voice over here. So basically today I am going to Bedouin because it's 25th day, it's Christmas, Santa is coming. I mean, I am not Santa, of course, whatever. So I'll go to Bedouin and I'll meet my friends. As of now, I'm going to the tuitions and I will see you there, okay? So I'm waiting for my bus. Trust me guys, I had to go through so much. Basically I forgot to take my purse from my home, and again I had to return back to my home just to get my purse, and then again I came back to the stand, and here I am waiting for my bus which is not coming, and I am frustrated honestly. But let's wait, we'll take the bus and this bus will take me to my destination. Ta-da! Here I got my bus, and honestly speaking, a few people were like staring at me because I was doing this video, so I had to act as if I am checking myself on the video while I was actually shooting. And also there was the conductor who was like literally cussing so loud, cursing people with words I can't explain. Honestly, I was supposed to get down earlier, but I got delayed, and now I'm walking because I need to walk. Sometimes it's better to walk than to take totos or rickshaws, whatever.
Hello, Merry Christmas to everyone, but so sorry, Leo is shouting so much. We have to go to our English tuition,
Yes.
And after that, I will not be with her today.
Yes,
most probably. Let's see.
But I hope she will come. And
Yes.
look at us celebrating Christmas. Full black. Black Day. We are celebrating Black Day, not Christmas. Sure. Ta-ta. I will see you guys after the tuitions. So we're done with our tuitions and it's time to go. Hello. Hi. Hi. So, hi. Yes, I'm out from my tuition. Now, so I'm a subscriber বাড়াতে বলে দিন তো। বলুন।
কি বলবো?
যে subscriber বাড়ি।
আচ্ছা, please like and subscribe
to her channel.
What's up? আমার চুলের অবস্থা পুরো ঢিলা হয়ে গেল হাওয়াতে। মাস্ক কই? এই তো। স্টে হোম সেসেস বলিস ভিডিওতে নিজের মাস্ক নেই।
And we will go to church. We have bought our rose and candle.
And candles. Yeah, we are very ritualistic persons.
Yes, যখন ঈদ আসে আমরা মুসলিম হয়ে যাই, যখন কি ক্রিসমাস আসে তখন আমরা খ্রিস্টান হয়ে যাই, যখন দুর্গা পূজা আসে তখন আমরা
হিন্দু হয়ে যাই।
So naturally we are Indian and we celebrate all kind of rituals. Yes, so let's go. Our candle and we have given our rose, but it was too much crowd over there, so we can't shoot much. So we will go to our next church and we will continue our vlog over there. And this is Curzon Gate Church and we will go to Parkers Road Church now. Yes, this one. Let's go. We're in this Parkers Road Church and my partner is over here. We got our two partners over here also. We bought our Merry Christmas cap. This is looking so sweet on us. Again, we have bought our rose. Merry Christmas. Again, we have bought our rose and candle. We will lighten up. And over here, not so much crowd, so we can shoot, I think so. So let's go. So this is all about the decoration. And see, they're busy over there taking pictures. It's her vlog, but I'm continuing and she is busy clicking pictures over there. This is so selfish. I don't like it. So let's go inside. I think we have to open our shoes. So So we came inside, and over here you can see, you can come and adore him over here. And the mini decoration over here you can see. Beautiful. It's really very beautiful. You can see. Wait. It's really awesome. It's beautiful, right? So the decoration is done really very nice. As I have said that we can shoot much over here because it's not too much crowdy. It's really a nice one. So we will click some pictures and again we will be back. Time for me to go back home, and I will be going home now. And now Jia and Isha and Momita will be shooting the vlog. So I will be back again on evening. It's bye-bye time. Bye.
টোটো চলছে না, টোটো গন্ডগোল হয়ে গেছে। নাইট এইবার চলছে। বেসিক্যালি টোটো চলছিল না, বাট আমাদেরকে টোটো চেঞ্জ করতে হলো, দিয়ে আবার চলছে টোটো। এখন কত দূর যাবে জানি না, কোথায় যাবো সেটাও জানি না। So we went to China 88, but it was closed. Now we are walking to Anytime. Okay, they're walking, and I'm walking. Let's walk. It's good to walk. Since the morning I have been only walking. Okay, I've been just walking. Let's walk. Look, she is over there, and we have ordered one masala dosa and one veg chow mein. Let's wait for that order. Yeah, let's wait for our order. Okay, so we are done with we are now anytime, and we will go shop. So I am here in my BFF's house. কিছু একটা বুড়বুড় করছে, কিন্তু কি বুড়বুড় করছে বুঝলাম না। যাই হোক, এখানে রয়েছে কিছু একটা করছে ওর ফেভারিট গিফট নিয়ে। সো জেকে লেখার চেষ্টা করছে। যাই হোক, তো আমরা অনেক বড় জেকে লিখেছি। আমরা এখানে এখন বসে আড্ডা মারছি। তারপর কি করব জানি না। লেটস সি হোয়াট উই ডু।
দুপুরে প্ল্যান আছে, কিন্তু কত দূর সেই প্ল্যান হবে জানি না।
এক্স্যাক্টলি,
ঠিক আছে, গদ করে ঘুমোতে পারি।
আমাদের অলরেডি ঘুম পাচ্ছে, তাই জন্য আমাদের প্ল্যানের কোনো ঠিক নেই, বাট আসছি। লেটস সি কতটা কি হয়। ওকে, বাই।
তিনজনা ছিল ওরা, একটা মেয়ে দুটো ছেলে। মেয়েটা কি ডান পিঠে ছিল, একটা ছেলেকে খুন করে দিয়েছে। ছেলেকে খুন করে দিয়েছে, মেয়েটা পাঠ করে দেওয়া হয়েছে।
You from my house.
ইয়েস,
ছাদে গেলে আরো বেশি দেখা যায়, কিন্তু ছাদ বন্ধ।
ঠিক আছে,
আর আমি যাবো না। আমি কত বছর ছাদে উঠলাম তার ঠিক ঠিকানা নেই।
সেই
এই পড়ে যাস না,
তুই আছিস তো ধরে নিবি। চাপ নেই, তোর ফোনটা ফেলবো না, আমি নিচে পড়ে যাবো, তাও ভালো। কারণ ফোনের থেকে মানে নিজের থেকে বেশি ফোনে প্রাণ থাকে। কোনটা? এ মামি, ইয়া মামি,
দূরটা থেকে আওয়াজ কর আমাকে। হাই, তোমার পঞ্চু খুব ভালো লাগছে আমার খেতে। আলসি লাগছে আমাদের।
সেই আমাদের প্ল্যান জীবনে হচ্ছে না ভাই। আমরা যেরকম ভাবে ল্যান্ডলাইনের শরীরপত্র
না যাবো।
Felix Navidad, I can feel the evil coming, but Felix never back. Navidad, Feliz Navidad. Jumping on my ass tonight.
Everyone's silent.
Listen to my money talk.
Now I like it. Yeah, everyone know what I mean. When it's a green, let me know. Give me what the hell I want.
Give me what the hell I want. Pounds number high. Leather shades are never getting pounds on it. Money, I just made 100. Decide what I'ma leave my ass. Dollar bills, keep on falling for me another way. Bills, keep on falling for me another way. Drop some money, dropping all my money. Drop some money, all this rest so yummy, yeah, yeah. Dropping, dragging it when I buy the things I like.
We are ready and we are all set to go somewhere. Like we already said you that we had some plan, but we are not sure if we could do that because we are lakhors and we can't help it. So we will be going to somewhere. I'll tell you when we reach there. And she is like, she has not done any makeup, but she is busy applying some lip balm or lipstick, whatever. I don't know.
Natural beauty, you know.
Yeah. Also, it's not like I have done a lot of makeup. I just put on some foundation and a bit of lipstick and some kajal. Yeah, because who does that? Okay, so I'll see you in there. Hello, Jia. Hi. Bye bye. Toto di. Toto pachi na. Say. Toto pachi na. Sociopath. You freaking psychopath, sociopath, which is psychopath. Okay, so here we are in the Ramna Bagan Deer Park, and this is a fucking sociopath. Okay, she is like, "Ato bheed, ami ki korte elam, ote ashatai bhul decision hoyechilo." But never mind. Okay, let's go. Oi tu, yeah. Are ha, oi tu. তো চোখটাই কানা হয়ে গেছে
আরে ওর সিং আছে এর সিং নেই এর লিস্টে ওর মুচি আছে কেন
my dirty mind dirty mind that's my best friend Emu looks similar
ছে কানা
তুই সব জায়গায় ছেলে আর মেয়ে দেখ
লেখা রয়েছে আমি কি করব
বুঝলাম
কত মশা দেখ ফোন করছি তোকে
দেখছি পরে ফাইনালি আমাদের রান্না বাগান ঘোরা হয়ে গেছে we are done with it and now we are going to have some fuchkas and after fuchka we will be going back to pavilion but that's not end of the fun we will have a lot to do because our other friends will be joining us too so yeah there she is walking like a zombie and by the way we both came to Ramna Bagan no one else did so yeah we had fun. So we went to the deer park, we had some fun, we had ice cream, we had puchka. Sorry we could not record all those because there was a hell of a crowd, okay, and it was not possible to record, that's why we couldn't, but never mind, a lot.
First time I regretted going somewhere. I was like, when the fuck did I come?
Yes,
Why did I ever take the decision of coming here?
Exactly, it was so crowded, trust me, because it's 25th now, that's why it's so crowded. And also a lot other friends will be coming soon and then we will be continuing the vlog. It's pizza time for us. Yay! And yeah.
আপনি নিন আর আপনি একটা নিন
এটা নি
আপনি নিন
আমি কি বাদ চলে যাচ্ছি আমি অর্গানো নিই
ওনি আছে তোকে দিলাম তো
কোথায় দিলি ও আমি ভিডিওটা করছি যখন করে নি
আলিশা খুশি পিজ্জাটা এখানে
আমারটাও নি নে
দাঁড়া আমি বানিয়ে দিচ্ছি ইস বাবারে আরে ধর আমি কি করব বল ইস মোয়া তো লম্বা হয়েছে মনে জানে তো পড়ে যাবে আলিশা বেশ পড়ে যাবে এরকম শাওয়ারে গিয়ে ছেলেটা কাজ করলো যে আমি না ঢোকালো জাস্ট দেন দ্য গার্লকে ফেন্ট
Good morning guys. So yesterday we were very tired and we went to sleep. Basically we enjoyed a lot, we ate pizza and stuff, but we didn't record it because you know all we do is just fun. Okay, so we didn't record much, but today yeah and here is the breakfast and we will be having our breakfast and after that I'll be going back to home and there's exams are coming so no more I don't think so I will be coming anymore so more is jai setai
there's more to it yesterday our Christmas was so special like
so special exactly it was
I
very
wouldn't
special
have expected that the Christmas we spent yesterday was like very different.
Very different from the rest of the time. But the fact is that
Experience was like
the end portion got messed up due to some reason.
খুব special
খুবই স্পেশাল না, অ্যাকচুয়ালি ভালোই গেছে, বাট এন্ড পোর্শনটা একটু বেশি মেসড আপ হয়ে গেছিল। সেটাই কিছু করার নেই, ওই আর কি আমাদেরই ভুল ছিল। অ্যান্ড আই ডোন্ট নো ইফ এনিবডি উইল বি ওয়াচিং দিস ভিডিও, मतलब if we to all the people whom we wronged, I'm sorry if you're watching this video. I'm very sorry
too.
Yeah, but it was just a joke. Okay, please, I'm very sorry.
I would appreciate it if you would have
talked to us instead of
exactly.
acting in an immature way. I'm sorry.
And yeah, if you are being practical and solved it,
Yes.
being an elderly, if you have practically talked to us and solved it,
It would have been a lot better.
Appreciated that, but whatever, let bygones be bygones. It doesn't affect us.
Yeah, and honestly, we are very sorry. So yeah, please consider it. If you are watching this, okay, please do that. And okay,
See, somebody else is under consideration.
And yes,
like,
and
we don't care about ourselves.
But that
take someone
person,
under consideration.
yeah, please, okay. And yeah, I will see you guys while going back home. So for now, bye. Okay guys, so I'm back home and that's enough for one vlog. I will see you guys in my next vlog, of course. And if you like my vlogs, and do not forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. Come on, what are you even doing? मतलब मैं आप लोगों के लिए इतना कुछ कर रही हूँ पर आप सब्सक्राइब ही नहीं कर रहे, ऐसे कैसे चलेगा? And also sorry because the lighting is a bit dim. It's already what time is this? It's already 6:22. I am just doing it now. Anyways, I reached home 11 o'clock, whatever. So just like my video, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, of course, if you like my vlogs. And I will see you guys in my next vlog. Till then, stay safe. Go out because Omicron is also coming, so definitely be safe. Wear mask, properly sanitize yourselves, and I love you. Ta-da!